Alright, y'all. Everything's mulched. We got our keyhole design. Look at that. That looks so cool. The keyhole design helps with your yield, gives you better yield. You can get all the way around the trees once we get the trees in here. Look at that. That's just gorgeous. That's gorgeous just sitting there just like that. So that back there kind of goes down into a little dip. No big deal. I don't want to walk on it right now because I just watered everything. Just to kind of help break down, settle everything down before we get in there and plant some things. So we're going to go back in the back and look at that. So we're going to go back in the back and we're going to plant some in the herb, near the herb spiral that we made yesterday. I finished this up just now. Look at that. That is just the coolest. I really like this design. A #1 design from the design team. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Isn't that something? So we're going to have a tree here with some companion plants. A tree right in the middle with some companion plants.